My favorite people, I hope you're doing great. As you can see, this is the record of withdrawals from one of my Capcut accounts. All right, as you can see, withdrawal history and my first withdrawal, and this is every week, every single week. All right, we withdrew this. Okay, so as you can see, last one here is for $9, $44, $100, $42, $29, $27, $73, and so on. All right, so this is one of my Capcut account, and this is what I normally used to withdraw every single week. All right, so in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you are going to become a Capcut template creator and how you are going to be getting paid whenever you work in your Capcut account. All right, so before we begin, if you know you are new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because I'm going to keep updating you with good informations like this. All right, and I'm going to make a lot of videos on Capcut, on how exactly I'm going to be how exactly you're going to be making the great templates, which templates are going to bring you more money and lots more. All right, so what you're going to do, first of all, you need to go you need to just go directly and download Capcut. You need to go to your Play Store. When you go to your Play Store, when you are using an Android phone, you go to Play Store. When you are using an iPhone, you go to the Apple Store and search for Capcut. When you search for Capcut, you go and download Capcut. All right, this is Capcut. Then you go and look at it down here and go and download Capcut. All right, so when you downloaded Capcut, you need to log in with your you need to log in with your email. All right, so when you log in with your email like this, so as you can see, guys, when you log in with your email, when you downloaded the Capcut, and you need to just log in with your email, with your personal email. When you log in with your email, this is how your profile is going to look like. All right, so you need to view the profile, edit the profile, put the name you want to go with, change the profile picture and all of that. As you can see, this account is not monetized. All right, so the process that you're gonna follow to monetize your Capcut account easily is by working with the Capcut. All right, make sure you are editing videos, doing whatever type of video you want to edit. Make sure you are editing videos like 3 times a day. Maybe you edit one video in the morning, one video in the daytime, and maybe one video in the night. All right, so when you stay consistent like that and you keep going in 1 week or less than 1 week, or maybe like in 2 weeks, and it can be boom. If you are lazy, if you are not working a lot with your Capcut, you just need to do anything, any editing, any type of editing. You have to make sure that you export videos. Like, you have to make sure you export 1 video, 2 video, 3 videos daily and consistently, and they are going to send you a message. When you open your Capcut, you're gonna receive a pop-up message saying that you have been supported. All right, you have been supported. All right, so when they say you have been supported, they will ask you to fill the form. They're gonna give you a form. You just need to write your email and so on. And if you have a TikTok, you can connect your TikTok directly, and if you don't have one, you can just go through. All right, so from there you will be able to be posting templates on your account. All right, you will be able to be posting templates on your account. All right, so as you can see now, you can come here and you can be exporting any videos out here, or maybe you can come here and edit new video, touch new video, upload your photos or videos and edit them. And after editing them, you just need to be exporting. That's the only criteria. Exporting is the best criteria. Make sure you are making an edit every day and you are exporting that edit every day, and from there you're going to be qualified and they are going to invite you to become a template creator. All right, so let me show you something. Right now. So as you can see, this is one of the accounts we have right now. As you can see, this account is able to upload video. It's a template creator. As you can see, 67,000 followers. This account got 67,000 followers. And let me show you another account we are working with, my partner. This is some accounts, and this is some edits that I posted. I think it's yesterday. All right, so I have this is how it works. The difference is clear. As you can see, this account is monetized, and we are receiving money every day for every Capcut template you create. As long as people are using this, you're going to be making money. All right. So this is very simple, easy, and clear. And if you have any question, anything you don't understand, just go directly down to the comment section and ask your question. And please, if you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe, because I'm going to keep updating with information like this. All right. I'm going to keep updating you with good information like this. Thank you, and God bless you. Love.